Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel viewers. In front of me Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5 and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. First, we need to open the control panel and here we need to disable all unnecessary features. So we need to disable the location services. If you don't need, of course, maps right now, disable auto rotate, Bluetooth, disable newbie share, disable hotspot, and cool, that's it. Then you need to reduce the screen brightness, then open the settings, open screen, here we have display, open display. Here in display, enable the dark mode, go back, scroll down, find battery. Here, as you can see, we have battery care. We need to enable auto, go back. We need stamina mode, open it, click use. And great, stamina mode is the battery saving mode, normal battery saving mode. With this mode, we can really save battery life. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.